Situated directly on Washington Square Park in Center City, Philadelphia, Independence Place offers an unparalleled blend of convenience, comfort, and breathtaking views. With 2 towers, Independence Place has a diverse mix of floor plans and modern amenities. Picture this, stepping out of your front door and into the lush greenery of Washington Square Park, a historic oasis right at your doorstep. Imagine gazing out of your floor-to-ceiling windows at the stunning city skyline or the serene park views. At Independence Place, you'll enjoy bright and spacious interiors, complete with in-unit washers, dryers, and ample closet space. Recently updated common areas exude modern elegance, and a 24-hour concierge and doorman provide security and peace of mind. For those who embrace an active lifestyle, the adjacent Philadelphia Sports Club offers a wealth of fitness options, while Washington Square Park provides a tranquil escape from the urban bustle. Independence Place is more than just a home. It's a smart investment. Known for its value retention and above-average management, these condominiums offer a range of unit sizes to suit various budgets. Whether you're drawn to the charm of the Society Hill neighborhood, the vibrant cultural scene, or the diverse dining and entertainment options, Independence Place puts you in the center of it all. With easy access to public transportation and major highways, you're always connected to the best that Philadelphia has to offer. Don't miss this opportunity to experience urban living at its finest. Contact us today for floor plans and availability and to schedule a viewing.